What's good, y'all? Welcome back to yet another video on the channel. Today we got some to be honest, I've really just been focusing on performance mods and cosmetics. I haven't really touched the interior really like that. Y'all know what my steering wheel look like, right? Y'all keep bothering me about my steering wheel, bro. I don't like that, you know? Niggas ain't rich, don't got bread like that, you feel me? So today, thankfully, we got some people coming out here to help us out. Fix this steering wheel, bro, because this shit been trash. I don't fuck with the steering wheel either. Like, that shit look trash. Like, it look terrible. Today, our friends at RL_steering_wheel_covers. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the IG on the screen, but yeah, they coming out, they gonna help us out. I got some nice options going on the steering wheel. Y'all gonna see. Can't wait for you guys to see it, bro. I can't wait to see that. So let's go ahead and go say what's up to them. Actually, before we go see them, I want y'all to do one thing, bro. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel, bro. Oh, hell no, I'm going inside, bro. Y'all got it.
Stop playing with them, Riot.
Real quick while he's taking a break, bro. This steering wheel cover is gonna look insane, bro. Suede feels so soft. The leather feels, bro, this all feels like real material, bro. Shit feels good. He's only like halfway done so far, but look at this thing, bro. Perfect stitching. Stop playing with him, bro.
I'm alive, but I'm actually down.
Okay. Put the SIPs back too, bro. Ah, it's different. Oh, man. I'm about to drive my car everywhere.
Like it?
I love this shit, bro. Thank you. Hey. Test that thing out for me, man. Oh, hey, chill out, bro.
I'm not sure it worked.
Outfield, bro, for real though. Yo, this need to chill, bro.
Can't touch it with your hands wet.
You right. You right. Nice little, got the suede, the leather on the sides, red marker, red detail stitching, man.
Fix that shit now.
That's that's next.
Great.
Huh?
Why is it great?
It's alright, bro. They ain't even see all that, bro. Oh, mine. Oh, my fault, bro.
Don't put that on camera. Put the other side. The other side looks nice.
What the f? So we gotta get to these. Hold on.
Stop playing with them, Riot.
Don't do this.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Talking shit.
Yeah, he talks about my car constantly, so
Tell him run that shit. As you guys can see, I missed my flip. Damn, niggas trying to kill me. So yes, boys, I have the stocks in the back. Stan has two, I have two. We're gonna go back on the stocks for a little bit. I'm gonna see if I can find some cheap tires to throw on here for the meantime, so I can throw these on the car, because this camber wear is crazy.
Stop playing with them, Riot.
recording me, bro?
Yo, why you recording
Yo, why you recording me?
Why you recording me recording you?
What's good, y'all? We up here at the exhaust shop. We're here waiting on Stan to get his J-pipe installed. I think he had to get it welded on. That's why he's here, but... Sheesh. Looking clean. What we doing today, man?
Man, you don't even know what the f going on.
What?
A J series. So, you know, we got to put on there the J pipe. ATLP though, not the RV6 though. RV6 kind of a little bit raspy.
Stop playing with them, Riot.
What is this? What is this?
At Toyota, when y'all gonna start making cars like this again?
78.
Yo! Not a race car, it's daily. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'll crank it up. It's not loud. All my cars are dailies.
I'm just kidding.
What you mean by that? Everybody give us a little burnout. Boy, having fun. Oh my god.
Oh my
bro.
gosh, bro.
That's a f***ing 78 Corolla, bro. Oh my god. That's cool as f***, I'm not gonna lie.
See how it opens up?
Yeah, I see how it opens up.
Yo.
Yeah.
See.
I'm not doing burn on this.
See the fuel system down here. You got a nice clean LF in here, man. You see how this thing's idling, bro? Engines up front, engines in the back. Oh my god. I don't know, bro. Got cops making U-turns and shit.
Not gonna catch us? Stupid. Dummy. Oh, wait, you going right.
Oh my god. What the f? Wait, what you doing? Oh. My fault, bro. I didn't know. Go ahead, bro.
If I knew you had all that money, I would have left the car up on the lift. You walking home.
Yo.
Got me a car and some money.
They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. I done drop a couple for them Maggies. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic. From New York, so we making it happen. Why they try to keep me on my balance? Niggas really tryna